Hello kids, welcome to my video. Let's learn some colors. Wow, we have some colors. Yellow color, sky blue color, pink color, red color, light green, violet color, orange color. One marker, two markers, three markers, four markers, five markers, six markers, seven markers. We have 7 markers with different colors. Let's start. Let's learn numbers. Number 1 to number 20. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. And then number 2. Wow, perfect. Number 3. Number 4. With brown. Number 5 with black. We have pink number 1, yellow number 2, blue number 3, brown number 4, and black number 5. Let's write with violet color number 6. Wow, I love this color. And then we have number 7. Perfect. Number 8. Let's write with dark blue. Number 8. Perfect. I love this color. Number 9 with pink color. Let's try number 10 with orange. We have orange number 1 and blue number 0. Let's try number 11. Wow, perfect guys. Number 12. Thirteen. 1, 3. 13. 13. 14. 14. 1, 4. We have 14. Let's try it with violet. 15. 15. Blue color. 16. 16. And then 17. 17. 18. 19. Oh my gosh, we don't have any space for number 20. Okay guys, now we have 19 numbers. 1, 2, number 19. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14, number 15, number 16, number 17, number 18, number 19. Okay guys, we are done now and I will see you in the next video. If you want to see my next video, subscribe my channel.